Today, we're tapping on something that most people would never admit to, but almost everyone carries money resentment, that uncomfortable feeling toward people who have more than you do, the eye roll when someone talks about their success, the quiet bitterness when you see someone living a life that feels out of reach. And here's why this matters so much. If you resent people who have money, some part of you is going to make absolutely sure you never become one of them. Because who wants to be resented? So unconsciously, without even knowing it, you've been capping how much you allow yourself to have, staying just below the level where people like you used to resent people like that. That invisible cap has been costing you more than you know. Today, we're dissolving it completely. And here's something worth sitting with before we begin. When we resent people for having more, it's almost never really about them. It's about a belief that what they have isn't available to us, that the abundance they're experiencing somehow proves our lack. But that's a misunderstanding, a painful, expensive misunderstanding. And today we're clearing it. So close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, just let yourself honestly acknowledge any money resentment that lives in you. Not to judge it, just to see it clearly. Maybe it's towards someone specific. Maybe it's toward wealthy people in general. Maybe it's toward the system or the people who taught you about money or the circumstances that made it feel so hard. Whatever is there, let it surface. Notice where you feel it in your body. And then notice this. That feeling, as understandable as it is, has been quietly working against everything you say you want. That's not a criticism. That's just the mechanics of how this works. And today we change the mechanics. So breathe in, hold it, and open your eyes. Now we're just going to do some EFT tapping, otherwise known as tapping. So just tap where I tap and say what I say. Repeat after me. Even though I have some money resentment, and part of me feels justified in having it, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I've been unconsciously capping my own wealth to avoid being resented the way I've resented others, I choose to love and honor myself and clear that pattern today. Even though I have complicated feelings about money and the people who have it, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself, and I'm ready to release all of it so something better can come in. All this money resentment, all this bitterness around people who have more, all these upsetting feelings about money, and the people who have a lot of it. This doesn't feel good, and it isn't helping me bring more into my life. In fact, it's doing the opposite. And I'm choosing to clear it now. Part of me doesn't want to be resented. So part of me has been limiting how much I allow myself to have. How much money can I get away with having before people like me would resent me? Probably about as much as I've allowed myself so far. And I love and appreciate that part of me. It was just trying to protect me. Thank you. And we're updating this now because I don't have to resent people who have money. And if either, and even if others resent me for having more, that doesn't have to be my problem. There is abundance available for them too. My wealth doesn't take from anyone. When I resent people for having money, it's because I think I can't have it. And that is just a misunderstanding. I am capable of having the money I really want. Most people say they want more money than they actually allow themselves to have and settle for much less than they could actually receive. Not because they're bad, weak, or lazy, but because of internal reasons they never examined. And one of those reasons for me has been this fear of resentment. And I'm choosing to clear that fear now, completely and permanently. I'm clearing any fear that having more money will make me a bad person. I can be ethical and wealthy. In fact, I choose to be. When people behave badly around money, it isn't because of the money. It's because of fear. And as I clear my fears, I uncover the love and integrity that was always underneath. I am a really good person, and I can allow money in good ways and use money in good ways. I choose to shift my perspective to see all the people creating wealth ethically. and using it to do tremendous good in the world. I choose to know I would be one of them. I already am one of them. Clearing any remaining money resentment. I choose not to hold money accountable for other people's behavior. Money is neutral. It amplifies what's already there. And what's already in me is good. I choose to feel good about wealth. I choose to feel good about people who have it in my body, my mind, and my soul. Close your eyes and breathe in slowly. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, notice how the energy around money feels right now compared to when we started. Is there any more neutrality, any more openness, any more genuine goodwill toward people who are doing well financially, including the version of you that's about to? That shift is real. That's resentment releasing and making room for something far more useful, far more attractive, far more aligned with what you actually want. Let that new feeling settle in. A quiet, open, genuinely positive relationship with money and the people who have it. That energy is magnetic and it's yours now. Take a breath in, hold it, and open your eyes. The moment you stop resenting the thing you want, you stop pushing it away. And money resentment is one of the sneakiest blocks out there because it feels so justified. But justified or not, it was keeping you exactly where you didn't want to be. Today you cleared it. Today you choose to see wealthy people as proof of what's possible rather than evidence of what's been withheld from you. And that single shift in perspective changes everything. Keep coming back to this one whenever that bitterness creeps back in, because the freer you are from resentment, the freer you are to receive everything that was always available to you. Make sure to drink a glass of water, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.